Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 13th of March 2022 and our today's topic is iterative statements in Java. My name is Dinesh and this is the original video. So let's understand what are the iterative statements in Java. Java provides a number of iterative statements which will execute a statement or a block of statement repeatedly until the given conditions is true. Iterative statements are also known as looping statement or repetitive statements. So there are basically four types of iterative statements. The first one is while statement, second one is do while statement, third one is for statement, and the last one is for each statement. So let's understand them one by one. The first is while statement. The while statement will execute a statement or a block of code repeatedly until the given condition to it is true. So it is recommended to use while loop when the number of iterations are not fixed. The second one is do while loop. Do while loop statement is same as while statement, but the only difference is that in do while loop the statement is first executed and then the condition is being checked. So it means in do while loop at least for once the statement will be executed. The third one is for statement. In for statement the execution happens in the same manner as in while loop statement. The difference is that when we have a fixed number of iterations, so in that cases we use for loop. The basic syntax of for loop using for loop is that first initialization of a value, then giving condition to that value, and after lastly the modification given to that value. So first in for loop the value which checked, and it is the value is checked with a condition given. If the condition becomes true, the statement under the for loop will be executed, and if the condition becomes false, it will terminate from for loop, and after that the modification given to it will be executed. The next one is for each loop. For each loop is an advanced for loop in Java. It uses mainly to traverse an elements from array or collection to the another variable. So basic syntax of using for each loop is that for under bracket data types with variable and a colon with array. So in this case the all the execution happens, it means the elements of an array or collection will be transferred to the defined variable. So but the iterative statements in Java will enhance the code reusability, and it is very useful for many of projects in Java. When we want to use a same procedure repeatedly or same code repeatedly, in that cases for loop or such type of looping statements are very important. So this is about all the iterative statements and loop statements in Java. Thank you so much.